Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing fine. Today we are going to talk about the first poem from grade 6 CBSE, and the poem is A House, a Home by Lorraine M. Hull. So this poem is basically a comparison made by the poet between what's the difference between a house and a home. So if I talk about a home, it is a place where someone lives and you have an emotional attachment with that place. So you're emotionally attached to that place and it's made with love, with affection, and you have a sense of belongingness. For that, it's very important to have a family, right? But if I talk about a house, it is just a building in which somebody lives, and to make a house you just need the material. So there is definitely a need of a family to bring and to make that house to become a home. So let me explain this poem in detail to you guys. What is a house? It's a brick and stone and wood that's hard. Some window glass and perhaps a yard. Yard means a garden. And its eaves, eaves means roof. And chimney and tile floors and stucco and roof and lots of doors. So what is a stucco? It is a fine paint, or you can say a plaster used for coating walls, right? And chimney is the place from where you, this is the chimney where you push the exhaust out of the house. So here in this stanza, the poet is trying to explain what all is needed to make a house. So what's a house? What all do you need? You need bricks, you need stone, you definitely need wood, all of that to make a house. And to complete the look of a house, definitely some window glass is needed. There are some gardens, some yard that takes space, and it's eaves. Now what is an eave? Eave is the part of the roof that hangs out. So this one, like you can see this part that hangs out, it's like an elevation of the roof. So you need the eaves, of course the chimneys and the tile floors, everything perfect, many doors to give that perfect look to the house. So thus, it's just a place where non-living things come together to make it beautiful. That's it. But what is a home? It's loving and family and doing for others. It's brothers and sisters and fathers and mothers. It's unselfish. Unselfish means selfless. It's unselfish acts and kindly sharing lovingly. Sharing and showing your loved ones that you are always caring. So here in this stanza, the poet is trying to express the difference. What is a home now? So he talks that since we've constructed the house which needed all the materialistic things, but to make a home we need some emotions. And what do we need here to make a house a home? All we need is a family, love, affection, family members, maybe brothers, sisters, mothers, father, who come together to make that place lively, to make that place worth living. So there is a lot of emotion attached when you're coming together, living in that place. You need to be, you can't be selfish, you need to be selfless, you need to be concerned about each other, their concerns, their wishes, and we need to work together to make that place a happy place to live. And of course, we need to be concerned about the well-being of each other. So the love, the care towards each other is what makes a house a home. I I think it's a very important message that the poet has delivered to us using the poem, and we must keep that in mind. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. In case you like the poem, please like, share and subscribe.